Last year, in July 2021, I backed a Kickstarter project that's a photo book about lovers in NYC's beaches. The full title is Beach Lovers: An NYC Summer Love Story, and the subheading, at least in the Kickstarter email, says it's a nostalgic photo book about being in love on NYC's beaches. I chanced upon the Kickstarter link from some random press release blog post. I really liked the preview photos in the Kickstarter page, so I backed it. I also liked the photographer's write-up about the project, that you can see couples being more carefree to feel publicly intimate on beaches. Nothing sleazy or R-rated in this book, don't worry. The photographs are in black and white. I like backing these kinds of wonderfully unique photo books from independent artists. I'll flip through the book at random now, but I highly suggest you buy your own copy. It's really worth it. Whenever I buy books from the US, I have them sent to the Philippines via my shopping box, a cargo forwarder that sends US-based goods direct to your door from the US without dealing with the Philippine post office losing your stuff and without the high cost of high-speed air couriers like FedEx or DHL either. Your US-based sender also just needs to send the item domestically, not pay international costs. So I only paid $13 to send this book to the Philippines via sea cargo. My shopping box also has air cargo. I think it takes a week or so. I chose sea cargo as I was not in a rush. I got my book 7 weeks from when the artist Erica mailed it to the California-based cargo forwarder address.